Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Our buddy Andrew was watching an auction, saw this cat D330 pop up, and he bid and won it for us. So he picked it up the other day, and so he noticed it said locked up on the top of the intake. So I turned it over by the PTO. It had a tiny tight spot, so you could get all the way around except for one little spot. So I just worked it back and forth a tiny bit, and it got past it. So I got a battery hooked up. I had to bypass the disconnect switch, and it does crank over now. So I'm gonna work on getting some fuel hooked up to it, prime the system, and then we'll see if it'll run. We got some 3/8 hose. Our return. So this is our fuel primer pump, and this is our bleeder. I guess let's take the top of the filter housing off. Maybe we'll dump some fuel in that first. That's not doing anything. Bolt the top of this filter housing back on. Oh, there we go. That's what we wanted. I guess let's see if it does anything. Look for smoke out of the exhaust. We'll bleed the injectors. It's smoking a little bit, but it should probably be smoking a little bit more. Oh, man. Ready? Let's see if we get fuel out of them. Try it again. meant to say the turbo's locked up. No, no, it's not. Might have to call our friends over at Area Diesel Service. So that's what we got. I think the biggest thing here is this exhaust manifold's leaking. So you're not getting all the exhaust to the turbo to spool that. Yeah. We'll play around with it a little more in the future somewhere. A little bit of soot. Turbo did free up. Didn't check blow by or anything. Oil looks decent. A little bit of tinkering, I think we might have a decent power unit. So if you like that little will it start, leave a comment below and maybe take a guess at what kind of machine you think I have planned to put this in. Be sure to check out some other of my videos starting up engines and antique machines and equipment and stuff like that. So thanks for watching.